ito po yung part na napagdalagay natin ng... So, isa na lang po kasi nakita ko dun sa bed ni ate. And bili po din yung nakita ko. Isa lang po. And lagyan po natin dito sa tamang lagayan. Purple sa lang 7 to. Lumama po. Yan. Baka sabihin nga fake lang. Wait lang guys. Wait lang. Lipat ko ako mag-test pa. Tuba ng tuba.
Shredder, do you remember when we were children and we played in that
So
video game
wait lang po.
championship?
Bilangin ko lang po ulit para malaman natin.
Do you remember how
So,
there was a
mamaya-
shape of the event and all the games that we played that was then put in a capsule and shot out into the
Tenta
universe
guys.
looking for
Yun,
extraterrestrial life?
rami!
I had reason to believe that some alien life force
So kasi
found that tape.
kanina guys, merong binis si ate na marami.
What they saw.
Baka na po kasi
But
baka
I
kasi
spent the day on
po
4chan searching for messages
nahulog
from
po
the
yung
aliens to
bini
prove
niya
my
habang
theory.
po siya
And you wanna know
naliligo ng
something?
mga
Found it.
bini.
A game of absolutely empty. So then as a distraction, I got up to try to watch an
Ano na
episode
po
of One
natin?
Tree Hill that I recorded on my VCR. I've been binging.
Bilangin na po natin kung ilan na po ito talaga.
Because the government is
One,
trying to destroy cable boxes, Bernadette. That's been
2,
proven. And you don't want them to see you dancing around in your underwear for Lady Lisa again. No, that tape was burned 3 months ago. Anyway,
4,
in the middle of the UHF broadcast,
5,
something
6,
peculiar interrupted Sophia Bush's sexy shenanigans.
7, 8. Yung 8 ayun talaga yung favorite mo. Yung binili ka. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 lang po. Ang ganda po ng mga lalagyan. So, comment ka lang po kung gusto nyo po ito na lalagyan. And binutas ko na siya dito. Ewan ko ano bang nagrarari sa akin. So, maglalaro po tayo ng Winnie!
Okay, Mama. I love you.
So, babatupit po natin dito kung anong nakuha
You will
natin.
get 3 lives. You have 2 lives left. Losing
Joke
both
lang
will
po,
lead to
hindi
the
po
total
ako
destruction
mag-aalala.
of your planet. The next battle is the
Magaganto lang po
15 hours
ako.
according to 27
Comment nyo lang dyan kung gusto niya ba ng bibili ko. At pumunta lang kayo sa amin. Kung di nyo po alam yung bahay namin sa Bilis Carrera po. Pag po nakita nyo po yung bahay namin, maraming halaman na parang lalagyan ng parang kinakasal na
Si Yaya Yama.
Wouldn't they